The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union. Hey, are you getting married in the near future? Pamela Cotton, VP of Member Services at Austin Telco Federal Credit Union, is here to talk about why discussing money before marriage is essential. Okay, Pam, why is it important to discuss income transparency before y'all walk down the aisle?
That's basically a cornerstone of your financial harmony, right? So you're diving into this relationship. Financial transparency is so important. Number one, it's going to allow you to set realistic budgets. If you don't know what's there, how can you set that right budget, right? And then you're going to set those goals together. So you need to be transparent, tell each other where you really are so that you can set those goals that are realistic, right? And then learning your combined financial capability. What can you do together? You know what you can do alone, but now that you're coming together as one, this is going to help you develop that for sure.
Absolutely. I know money is a big reason people fight. So
Unfortunately,
we want them to be happy once they've gotten married. Okay.
Yes.
How can understanding your partner's specifically credit history impact your financial future together?
Yeah, so credit is vital. So your credit score is very important, right? It's going to, when you know where you are, once you're married, you're going to find that out no matter what, because you're going to be doing things together. So disclose that up front, and then you work together. Let's say you weren't perfect, then you're going to work together to get those scores up, because one of the things we say is good credit equals better interest rates. So anytime you want to borrow money, that gives you that power to pay less for what you have to borrow. And then you're going to help each other manage your debt, working towards the same goals.
So Pam, let me ask you, when you get married, your debt is our debt now, right?
That is so true.
Okay.
It works together for sure.
I am engaged currently, so I feel like this is targeted information for today. Okay, what are the benefits of discussing and aligning financial goals before marriage?
So you, again, working together, you're going to help each other in your long-term planning, and that's crucial. So I'm going to say, Rosie, when you're getting together, talk about these things. It's so important. Like you said, finances are one of the big cornerstones, and it could make or break the relationship. So you want to talk about those things. What are your long-term goals? What are his long-term goals, short-term goals, things like that? They're so important. And then it's going to help making those joint decisions, because now you're together. So it's not just your decision, you're doing this together.
I think it's
That's
so
right.
sweet. Pam, thank you for the tips. We
Yes,
appreciate it.
ma'am. Thank you.
To learn more about all of the services Austin Telco Federal Credit Union has to offer, visit atfcu.org. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Telco Federal Credit Union.